some incredible Capristo aftermarket exhaust revs. A Capristo aftermarket exhaust launch and it sounds so good. I love the unique sound of the F430. Make sure to like and subscribe. RPM rev with pops and bangs. A red line launch and it sounds incredible. An insanely loud aftermarket exhaust pull. This is how the car sounds on a cold start. Lovely Capristo aftermarket exhaust pull. The echo of the V8 breaks windows. V8 sounds even better when ripping through a tunnel. A slippy and loud pull from the F430. The sound of the V8 rules the road. Even when you can't see it, the V8 states its presence.